Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pappy Engineer. So in this video we will be going to discuss about the steps by which you can invest in US stock market. So for this information we thank Ankur Warikoo, who is the founder of nearby.com. So the app which he personally uses is IND Money. So first of all, it's not an sponsored video, it's his personal favorite application which he uses for trading in stocks in US stocks. So first thing which we need to understand is fractional shares. So it is that portion of that equity stocks which is less than a full stock, and you can invest in fractional shares in US stock market, but it's not allowed in Indian stock market. So if a company's share is of around $100, then you can invest even through $1 or $10 of buying a particular fraction of that company. Now, before you start investing in US stocks, you need US equivalent demat account, and IND Money is partnered with Drive Wealth, which is licensed broker based out of US and which is registered with FINRA and SIPC. So it is very safe and secure application, and you can start investing without any issue. Now, the steps which you need to follow is first you need IND Money application, and then create a free account with Drive Wealth. And then in step 2 you need to submit your PAN card details, address proof, and your bank account details for transactions. After creating account successfully, you need to transfer money, and there are two modes of transferring money. First is online mode and second is offline mode. You can choose online mode only if you have account in ICICI, HDFC, IDFC or Kotak Bank. For all other banks, you need to choose offline mode, and for this you need to go to your bank branch for transferring money. Now step 4 is amount gets reflected in your Drive Wealth account in 3 to 5 business days. Now let's talk about charges. So rupees 1000 per transaction is charged for transferring money from your bank account to your Drive Wealth account. So if you transfer 5000 rupees, then the 1000 rupees will be deducted as transferring charges, and also if you transfer 1 lakh rupees, then also only 1000 rupees will be deducted. So it is advised to transfer money in bulk. Now the second type of charges is exchange currency loss, which is you are transferring money in Indian currency. Now in Drive Wealth you need currency in dollars, so there are some exchange currency losses which is around 1 to 2% for transferring INR to USD. Now let's discuss about the timings in which you can invest in US stock market. So from 14th March to 7th November you can invest from 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST. Like if you are in India, then from 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. you can invest, and from 8th November to 13th March you can invest from 8 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. So due to the concept of daylight saving in the US, they move their time by 1 hour ahead or behind every 6 months. But the good thing is the order can be placed anytime during the day, and they will be automatically executed only when the US market opens. Also, there are no charges for buying and selling on IND Money. You don't pay anything. You give charges only for adding money from your account to your Drive Wealth account. Except these, you don't give charges for buying and selling. That means trading. Now, I have already explained you the fractional share concept. So let's move on to the withdrawing the money. Money will come back to your linked bank account only, which you have linked to IND Money, and it will take 5 to 10 working days to reflect in your account. And the most important thing is withdrawal fees. So there is $20 fixed withdrawal fees which will be charged every time you withdraw money from your IND Money application to your bank account. So these are some suggestions from Ankur Warikoo, that what are the things which you can start investing in US stock market. So tech stocks and ETFs are just like mutual funds, which are the basket of different stocks. Now let's talk about taxes. So first thing is dividend tax. So if you are getting $100 as a dividend, then the tax will be deducted 25%, which is around $25, and you will get $75. But the deducted tax will be advance tax and can be claimed back while filing income tax return. Second is capital gain tax. So it is of two types, long term and short term. So if you are investing in any stock for more than 24 months, then the tax will be included according to your income tax slab. But if you are withdrawing your money before 24 months from any stock, then 20% will be charges as tax, which will be paid in India only. So this is all about the investing in US stock market. I hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe Pappy Engineer YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.